We are now moving on to elimination. Today we're going to use elimination with addition and subtraction. This is pretty straightforward. I simply like to think of it as combine like terms. You really already know how to do this. Here is line 1, here is line 2. Our goal is to determine if and where these lines cross, but without graphing them anymore. My goal today is to look for a set of opposites. When I look at the y's in the two equations, I see that they are opposite. I have a negative 1y here and a positive 1y here. If I take these two equations then and combine like terms, I would have 2x's equal a negative 8. Therefore, x equals negative 4. Okay, we have one solution where x is negative 4. I still like to do this so that I don't forget I already know x. I'm missing the y. I will put negative 4 into either equation. I'm going to pick this one because sometimes with a double negative here, students get confused, although it really goes in for x, so that's irrelevant. But I'm still going to use this one, so I'll have negative 4 plus y equals negative 9. Add 4 to both sides, I get y equals negative 5. These two lines would cross at the point negative 4, negative 5. Looking at the next equation, I am looking for a set of opposites. What do you know? We have our y's being opposite. I have one positive and one negative. When I combine my like terms, I would have a total of 7x's equals 35. Therefore, x equals 5. One solution where x is 5. Now I need to determine y. Pick either equation, avoiding the negative sides. Excuse me, I'm going to pick that top equation. So 4 times 5 plus y equals 23. That is 20. Subtract that from both sides, I get 3. One solution where the lines cross is at 5, 3. I would like you to do the next two problems by yourself. Please pause the video. Looking for a set of opposites. Straightforward. Pause the video, please. Thank you for pausing the video. When I look here, I see I have opposites, positive 2y, negative 2y. Again, I will combine my like terms. I get 14, x equals negative 28. Therefore, x is negative 2. So I have one solution where x is negative 2, so I like to write that down. Pick either equation, avoiding the negative signs. I'm going to pick the top equation. I would have 7 times negative 2 plus 2y equals 2. Two-step equation, that is 14. Subtract 14 from both sides, I would have negative 12. Divide by 2, I get negative 6. Those 2 points would cross, or those two lines would cross at the point negative 2, negative 6. On this one, we have a set of opposites with the x's. So I'm going to combine the like terms. I would have 6y equals 24. Divide by 6, y is 4. So one solution. This time I need to solve for my x. I'll put 4 into the second equation. Again, you may pick either one. I'm picking the second one because I want to avoid negative signs. One less thing for me to goof on. x would also equal 6. So those two would cross at the point 6, 4. Okay. The next one is very straightforward. I gave you opposite y's. I have a total of 3y equals 0. I am not going to freak out. 0 is a number, and I can divide by 3. X equals 3. So there is one solution somewhere on the y-axis because x is going to be 0. I'm going to put, wait, yes, x is not 3, it's 0. Silly me. Okay, I like the 0, not the 3 I had. Now I'm going to put 0 into either equations. I'm choosing equation number 2. Oh, that's gone. They would cross at the point 0, negative 4. When I look at the equations here, I almost have a set of opposites. My y's. I happen to have a negative y here and a negative y here. Close. I am going to multiply this bottom equation all by negative 1. Now, you could multiply the top equation by negative 1. That would work too. I'm going to rewrite the top equation just so that they're written vertically. Then I will have 2x plus y equals 24. Now I have a set of opposites. One positive y, one negative y. Combine my like terms. I get x equals 10. So one solution where x equals 10. Put x into either equation. I'm going to put it into this top one. I'm going to be very careful with the negative y. Subtract that, negative y equals negative 4. Therefore, y equals positive 4. Those two lines would cross at the point 10, 4. I flipped the page in the packet. On these two, you're going to have to create the pair of opposites. I would like you to do these two by yourself. Pause the video. Please pause the video literally. Solve them, and we'll compare answers. Do not freak out with the fractions. Please pause the video. Thank you for pausing the video. For the first one, I ended up with the two lines crossing at the ordered pair 2, negative 3. Here is all my work. If we got something different, feel free to pause the video again and compare some of our work. For the second one, I ended up with the two lines crossing at the ordered pair 12, 2. Again, here is all my work. Compare ours, see what we did differently.